Welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jack Scalfani. It's called The Cooking with Jack Show. And if you like what you see, you want to see more, click the subscribe button below, the notification bell at the bottom so you get notified when a new video comes up. And then we'll teach you how to do a whole bunch of stuff during the holidays and all the way up through the year. So just want to let everybody know that my link's down below. If you're looking for something for the foodie in your life, I got a barbecue store where all my barbecue products are. You can purchase those. I got a merchandise store. You want to get hats, you want to get t-shirts, anything regarding the show. But all my links down below. Have fun shopping, and I will see you guys at the store. That'd be cool. Just don't take the last one, right? Save some for somebody else. Anyway, you ever had a project that you've wanted to do year in, year out, and you never get to it? This video starts it, okay? This is a very basic recipe. We're gonna be making, it's a recipe called like an Old English mash, which is like mashed potatoes. So we're making Old English mashed potatoes. And why are we making Old English mashed potatoes? Because, you know, I watch every year, I watch The Christmas Carol, and I see Bob Cratchit, and I see Tiny Tim, and I think, wow, look at that spread they have on the table. I wonder what are the foods they ate back then. So I know mashed potatoes, sage stuffing, plum pudding, the goose, it's all gonna be done. We're gonna do a whole series of videos. So the goose is gonna be probably the goose or the plum pudding. It's gonna be a little hard. I got some recipes I've been rummaging through, trying to find out the best old-fashioned recipe to be most like Bob Cratchit's Christmas dinner. So we're calling this series Bob Cratchit's Christmas Dinner. Makes sense, doesn't it? All right, so come on in close. This is the easiest of the four that we're going to be doing in this series. And we're doing the Old English mashed potatoes. Come on in, take a look. Oh, by the way, I wanted to show you these. You remember these canisters I've been using with the white tops? And you press the button at the top and it keeps them sealed, airtight. Well, they just came out with the steel version. Do I think this is real steel? Well, listen. Probably not. It's probably a metal plastic. You know, it looks like metal, but it's really plastic also. But I like the look. It matches my fridge, my dishwasher. So I went with these canisters, and I passed on my white set. And so I got a whole bunch of these. I'll let you know how they work out. Pretty excited about these. Made by OXO, which I love. So you guys should check them out. I got these at, I think I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond with the 20% discount and all that. All right, so as you can see right here, salt and pepper and salt. And then you got Kerrygold. This is an interesting product. This is a very good butter. Kerrygold's top of the line. It's an Irish butter, and it's usually where all of England gets its best butter is from Ireland. And like we get our best cheese from like Wisconsin. So if you go to New York and get a pizza, that's got Wisconsin cheese. You go to England and get Old English mashed potatoes, probably gonna have Kerrygold butter on it, okay? Got some milk, got some golden potatoes. All right, so this is all we're gonna need right here. So the first thing you wanna do is peel your potatoes and cut them into quarters. All right, guys, get your potatoes about 1.5 pounds. You cover them with water in a Dutch oven or a stock pot. Make sure you got about 1 inch of water above the top of the potatoes. There we go. That's about 1 inch above the potatoes. Get them all spread out. And start them cooking. All right, so you're going to, I don't know why people do this. Been doing it with pasta, do it with potatoes, take a little bit of salt, sprinkle in the water. I know it's a flavor reason. Wait till they're fork tender, okay? They're saying about 20 to 25 minutes, but I'm just gonna cover it to help it along. Now, the potatoes are boiling in the water right now. If scum starts to form, just take a spoon and scrape the top off of the kind of foamy scum that may collect. In the meantime, I got my butter, I got my milk, and I've got my salt and pepper for flavor. I'm gonna take this milk here and throw it in the microwave just before boiling. So when you start to see it just start to move a little bit, that's pretty much where you want the milk. So I'm gonna get my potatoes in this bowl. I'm gonna use this scooper to scoop the potatoes out. Or you can use a colander if you want to just drain it all at once. It's just easy for me to grab it, dump it in this bowl, let it set. Don't run cold water on it. Don't stop it. Let it steam cook still a little bit because you want it super soft so it can be super creamy. All right. So let's get this filled up with some golden potatoes. Oh yeah, you're gonna want one of your potato mashers. If you don't have one, a fork will do, but these are better than forks if you have this or, any device that can smash your potatoes for you. All right, guys, you can see they're piping hot. I'm just letting them sit there for a little bit. I got my butter, salt, and pepper. My milk is heating up right now. Gonna bring it all together and make some good stuff. In fact, I'm gonna change bowls, so I got a handle to hold on to for dear life. I can just grab the handle. Grab it like that. Start mashing these potatoes. Still thinking about the chili I made last week. All right, and we'll get that butter in here in just a minute. Milk's almost ready. All right, I got some piping hot milk poured in there. I'm just gonna put it all in there as I mash. Get that in there, that'll only help me. Get my butter in there. Grab hold of my bowl here and just start mashing it. Now that it's all mashed, see? It's all mashed up, so that's where you add a little salt for taste. Here's a little bit there. Then you add a little pepper, or lots of pepper like I like it. All right. Then you grab your fork and you stir for dear life. If it feels a little dry, potatoes are still pretty hot, so a little splash of milk in there ain't gonna kill it. There we go. Leave that nearby in case you need it. That's what makes it creamy. And needs a little bit more. Also, you can put more butter in if you want. It's your choice. All right, guys, I think they're ready to be tried out. This is what we would see on Bob Cratchit's Christmas table. Tiny Tim would be digging into these potatoes because they're creamy, they're golden beautiful. It's Old English mashed potatoes, which the English say mash. It's like bangers and mash. Remember I did the sausages and mashed potatoes? This is just mash. So let's give it a try, see how it came out. Oh, it's delicious. All right. Great thing about the English, they keep their food simple, good flavors, great butter. I can taste that Kerrygold butter all throughout my mouth right now. You guys got a good quality butter. All right, well, there you go. The next one we're doing is going to be sage stuffing. That's right, we're going to show you how back in Old England they made sage stuffing, okay? That's coming up on the next episode. I love you guys. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next episode.